Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 288 chainsaw, 88 cc's. This one features a 24-inch barn chain with a sprocket nose, skip tooth, 3/8 pitch, .050. Skip's a sequence between the teeth. You can see we have spacing there. Very popular combination for this saw. We'll take a look at some of the features it has. Kill switch on the left, chokes on the right, operator presence lever right here. Nice safety feature. This won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Has a hand protector and a foot pad. Works as a hand protector in case of throwing chain. Foot pad when starting this high compression motor on the ground. I did run a compression check. We're right at 150 psi. Working chain brake. Just a very powerful chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.